Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up MetaMask wallet on your Firefox. So, by the way, this could also work with other browsers, but if you would want specifically for Firefox, then what you will have to do is open your Firefox, and once you've opened your Firefox, you will just have to look for the MetaMask extension page, or your if you already have your MetaMask extension, then that's good. And again, make sure that you've already installed that so that you will be able to actually enable that extension. And once you've enabled your extension, what you will have to do is you could also, by the way, pin this so that it won't get lost or anything like that. And then after that, you will just have to create your new wallet if you haven't created one yet. And if you, after you've created a wallet or a MetaMask account, then you will be redirected here, which is the dashboard where you can swap tokens, bridge, send, sell, and you could do a lot of things here. Actually, you can receive, transfer, send. So yeah, you just gotta explore all of its features so that you will get the most of MetaMask. And yeah. And again, by the way, before creating your new wallet or restore existing wallet, you should make sure to set a strong password and back up your recovery phrase. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.